see that?
Oh, no way. Oh, okay. I did get a video of that. Yes. Oh, that's so cool.
Oh, do you see the lights in the back are still going?
Wow. Do a kick yourself. Do a hop. I can't get him.
What's
Look at
going
my
on
little
your
feet.
toes?
I look like a centipede. Yeah, like you totally want to be like. Why am I not moving?
Because we're combined.
Oh,
See?
I see what you're saying.
Oh, we gotta change it up again.
Uh-oh, it's something new. Oh, that's trippy. Hello. Oh, this is really cool. Whoa. It's cool because it recognizes you and it doesn't smear you out. Ooh, I kind of came out of the picture. Look, if I go so far back,
Yeah.
I kind of disappeared. Look at me. I totally go.
You're part of the background now.
so-
You see all my...
I can make.
Coming out of my hand.
I know. I can make. I think you've got it going on. I got motions going up the wazoo.
Look at what is coming out of my hand.
Oh, and notice how we're sort of in faded color. We're mixing fire and ice here. Another Game of Thrones reference.
Oh.
Starry, starry nights. I'm definitely Van Goghing up a storm. Do you want to move? Why don't you move too? Oh yeah. Look at you, Mother of Dragons.
That's Jen.
Oh, okay. Stepchild of Dragons. Oh wow, you can throw. Look at this. You can throw. Oh, this is really cool. I like this idea of. Look at this. I'm tossing you pixels. Have some pixels. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Look at the hand.
That is pretty cool.
Oh wow. If you go backwards and around.
We're at the bacterial conference, and then we found the IBM Automatic Sequence Computer Controller Calculator Mark 1, and it is an archaic old boy. This is Moore's Law in action. Look at this. Look at this for like a date entry.
Yeah. Oh, see, isn't he
Oh, I totally.
smart?
He ran over my